Hey guys, today I am going to show you how to on notification sound for Instagram. First of all, open your settings, search for notification status bar. After that, go in app notification and search for the Instagram. Okay, we have got here. Click on it and click on Instagram Direct, and you can look over here sound. So turn it on, and if you want notification light, turn it on. Here you can also turn on Instagram Direct requests sound, and for the video call you can on the sound. So here's the video. If you like, please subscribe and like the video.